Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best products on the market for perfecting your brows, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil in medium brown. If you're searching for a reliable, high-quality brow pencil that delivers fantastic results, you've come to the right place. Let's explore everything this product has to offer. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil is a classic wooden eyebrow pencil known for its creamy, full pigment formula. The texture of this pencil allows for easy application, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned makeup enthusiasts. What sets this pencil apart is its powder-like finish, which mimics the natural look of brow hairs, providing a beautifully defined yet soft appearance. One of the standout features of this brow pencil is its ability to create natural-looking brows that can be tailored to your desired level of fullness. The medium brown shade is versatile, suitable for a wide range of hair colors and skin tones, ensuring that everyone can find their perfect match. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil is a breeze. For maximum color payoff, it's recommended to warm the tip of the pencil on the back of your hand before applying. This simple technique enhances the pencil's pigmentation, allowing for a smooth and even application. When applying, start by using light strokes to fill in any sparse areas. You can gradually build up the intensity to achieve your desired look. The pencil's precise tip allows for incredible control, letting you mimic the natural hairs of your brows with ease. Another great tip is to use a spoolie brush to blend out the product for a more natural finish. Simply brush through your brows after application to soften any harsh lines and achieve that perfect, polished look. The formula of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil is designed to last throughout the day without smudging or fading. It's resistant to sweat and humidity, making it perfect for any occasion, whether you're heading to work, a night out, or just running errands. You can trust that your brows will look flawless from morning to night. Additionally, the pencil is formulated with natural ingredients, ensuring it's suitable for all skin types, even those with sensitive skin. The pigmentation is rich and long-lasting, making it a favorite among many beauty enthusiasts. To wrap things up, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil in medium brown is an essential tool for anyone looking to achieve beautifully defined brows. Its user-friendly design, high-quality formula, and versatile shade make it a standout product in the world of brow makeup. So, if you're ready to elevate your brow game and want to invest in a product that delivers results, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil is definitely worth considering. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. We'll see you next time.